One of the most common questions among Doge supporters and investors right now is, will Dogecoin reach $5 anytime soon? According to Unicorn, a Washington-based esports bookmaker, Dogecoin has a 17% chance of reaching $5 by the end of this year, as the meme coin's price powers up on social media support. This is due to the current popularity surrounding the joke cryptocurrency, especially on the media and social networks like Reddit and Twitter. The coin recently had a price surge that took it to over 70 cents, with close to an $80 billion market cap. Today on Crypto Fox, we'll be discussing the prediction of Dogecoin reaching the $5 mark before the end of this year. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment needs, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. Although the price of Doge has since dropped, most analysts are positive that Dogecoin will rise this year and might soon hit $5. And while Unicorn's prediction seems a little bit too bullish, there is a good chance that Dogecoin might be going over $5 in the next few years. Generally, there's a slim chance that Doge will reach $5 this year. The community and investors are currently pushing for the coin to close the year at $1, driving its market cap to more than $130 billion in the process. Bitcoin has a 20% chance of being valued at $100,000 in 2021, Unicorn data collated for Financial News said on the 4th of May, but a 27% chance of falling to $10,000 or lower. The cryptocurrency's fortunes are withering as other cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin and Ether rise in popularity. 2 months earlier, Bitcoin's odds of reaching $100,000 were at 36%. Professor Carol Alexander, a lecturer in finance at the University of Sussex, said Dogecoin's appeal lies in its potential for massive returns, which can't be found elsewhere at the moment. Given its low value in comparison to Bitcoin, which hovered around $56,000 on the 4th of May, Dogecoin offers an opportunity for traders to buy whole coins for small amounts. However, its volatility is extreme and also presents a high risk of losing its entire value quickly. Alexander said she hopes Dogecoin returns to its origins as a means for goodwill, where its two founders had previously used the cryptocurrency to fundraise for charitable efforts. Since Musk took the leading role for Dogecoin in 2017, he's just seen it as a game, she said. If he wants Dogecoin to have any fundamental economic value, he needs to direct it back towards its benevolent grassroots. Dogecoin's chances of being above $5 by the end of 2021 were at 29% on the 10th of May, according to betting odds from online trader Unicorn. This was up from a 17% chance a week before that. The meme coin is still more likely to be below 10 cents by the end of the year, however, with the likelihood of that event at 31%. The value of Dogecoin got to an all-time high of around 74 cents on May 8th before crashing to as low as 41 cents over the following days. The dip occurred after Tesla boss and self-styled Doge father Elon Musk appeared on US TV show Saturday Night Live on May 8th, where he admitted to viewing Dogecoin as a hustle, maybe in jest. Following his performance, Musk announced that his space exploration firm SpaceX plans to launch a satellite named Doge-1 to the moon next year, referencing the Dogecoin community's motto of sending the cryptocurrency's price to the moon. The mission will be paid for in Dogecoin, Musk said. While SpaceX might accept Dogecoin as payment, those Dogecoins will have been bought by people earning money in dollars, euros, and pounds, and then converting it. Until cryptocurrencies are used for things as mundane as paying for your mortgage or your phone bill, or indeed receiving your wages as a medium of exchange, they simply add an extra layer to transactions. And most don't actually perform a useful function in the real economy, said Litecoin, a financial analyst at stockbroker AJ Bell. If an asset can drop 30% on the back of one individual's appearance on Saturday Night Live, this tells you there's not a huge amount of fundamental value holding up its price. Dogecoin remains among the top cryptocurrencies, ranking in 7th place in terms of market capitalization behind Bitcoin, Ether, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, and XRP. At the time of recording, the market cap for Dogecoin stands at $25.96 billion. Now, Dogecoin may be pretty popular and on everyone's radar this year, but I'm actually surprised it took me this long to find this app that I want to tell you about today. It's called MPL, and it already has over 80 million users. I didn't want to be late to the party, so I downloaded it, and it's honestly the best thing I've come across recently. With Mobile Premier League, I get to do two things that I love at the same time: gaming and making money. There's something for everyone here. Several games all conveniently in one place, and they're all skill-based, so if you're not good at one, you'll surely find one that suits you. I'm actually pretty decent at pool in the real world, and not too shabby on MPL either, if I do say so myself. No joke, I get to keep all the cash I win in any of those games, and all I have to do is pay a small entry fee to keep going. It's really easy and hassle-free, no matter how you choose to deposit funds. All you have to do is download the app, set up your wallet for the entry fee, and win cash rewards in your games of choice. Any money you make is yours to keep and withdraw. It's available on the Apple App Store and Android via the MPL website. And I'm not going to keep all the fun to myself, so I've left a link in the description which will give you a $5 sign-up bonus to use on any game you choose. And you can share that link with your friends too. They'll also get the bonus. If you refer them in the app, you can get up to $20 yourself. That's pretty neat. But back to the topic at hand. There's no certainty as to when Dogecoin will reach $5. It could be the next 5 or even 10 years. Some of the predictions flying around very widely, with a few being hopeful that the coin might hit $5 sooner than we think. However, some analysts, citing the inflation issues and the possible lack of support from the community in the future, don't think that Doge will be trading at $5 anytime soon. Currently, the altcoin is rising in popularity, and there's a good chance that the price will be much higher in the next few years. If Dogecoin manages to reach $1 this year, it will increase its chances of hitting $5 in the coming years. Although the coin has had several dips recently that almost dimmed its chances of closing the year at $1, it has, however, looked up and is currently trading at 21 cents. There's lately been a lot of speculation about Dogecoin reaching $1 by the end of 2021. With its growing popularity and increasing support, Doge has a good chance of hitting this target, although it won't be as easy as some people might think. Remember that for Dogecoin to reach $1 by the end of this year, it means the coin needs to experience about 500% increase in the next 5 or 6 months. Although it's been proven that anything is possible in the crypto world, that is still a huge task to achieve. Dogecoin has already surprised us with some huge growths. For instance, the coin has grown over 3,000% since the start of the year. So it won't be exactly ridiculous to say that its value could be multiplied by 5 before the end of the year. Experts believe that the growing positive sentiment around the cryptocurrency industry as a whole will significantly help drive Dogecoin's price to $1 by 2021. If this happens, we could be looking at a $135 billion valuation, which means a lot of profit for current investors. Jesse Cohen, a senior analyst, is even more positive that with the growing social media interest and celebrity endorsements, Doge might break into the $5 mark by late 2021 or early 2022. Jesse is betting on the mounting support from high-profile business figures like Elon Musk to drive the cryptocurrency to $1 and possibly $5. He also believes that this kind of support will add legitimacy to the coin and boost investor confidence. There are also some price analysts who don't think that Dogecoin will reach $5 anytime soon. For instance, Digital Coin Price predicts that Doge will not touch $5 until 2028. A few others are positive that this might not happen until at least 2030. People who invested in Dogecoin when it was still very young will claim that it's a good investment. However, there is no guarantee that the price will rise. So while there is a generally positive outlook, you will still need to do some research and be sure that Doge is good for your investment portfolio. Remember that this is one of the most volatile digital assets with crazy price swings. As a result, the price could move in any direction without warning. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Remember, you can also join our free Discord group and support us on Patreon. Links for that and many other promotions are in the video description and in the pinned comment. Be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well, and if you have any questions or suggestions, let us know. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hollywood perfect.